welcome back to Fashion Meets Makeup. I am filming 3 videos in this getup, with this makeup, with this necklace, with this background. She was here too. So I'm going to try to make this a fairly quick video because the sun is setting and we're gonna lose our light in a little bit. I recently ran out of my favorite brow pencil. I was using the LA Girl Slim Shady, or no, I feel like that's right. Shady Slim brow pencil, which was very similar to the Anastasia Brow Wiz. And so I went one day to go get a backup of that, and they were selling it over at Ulta, and then they no longer had it. And I'm the type of person, I like to buy stuff physically in store as much as possible. I know I'm weird. If you do that too, please let me know, because I feel like no one else does it. Everyone's like, just buy it online. Wanted to try to find one at the store, something that was going to be inexpensive. So the LA Girl brow pencil, I want to say it was around $5 or so. And so I want something a similar price range. I saw it, e.l.f. had a brow pencil that was from their studio line, I believe, and it was called the Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. And it was in brunette, which was the color that I had been using. And I put it on, and this is how it looked. Oh, it was so red. I was like, that is not brunette. Like, come on, e.l.f. I put it on, I was trying to blend it out, work with it. I was like, oh, it's not too bad. And then, so that's a picture inside. Then I went outside and took a picture of my face. It's like, no. This is a no-go. It's just way too red. It was way too noticeable for me, or in my opinion. I didn't like how it looked at all, so I scrubbed that off and went with no brow product that day. So I decided to look on the hunt for another brow product, and then I saw another product by e.l.f. I think I bought the first one at Walmart, and then I went to Target and I saw this brow pencil. That one was $5. This product was only $2. Products that are usually $2 do not work that well, especially when it's something like a brow pencil. So I quickly looked on my phone and I found a video by Emily Noel. She had 3 colors, and I skimmed through the video very quickly because I was in the middle of the store. I put the volume down so everyone couldn't hear it, and I saw that she had the 3 swatches and they actually looked cool tone. I was like, yes. Cool tone, yes. And they were only $2, and then I watched her little demo of it, and then I kind of skipped towards the end of the video to get her like final thoughts. That's the hack if you're trying to look through videos very quickly. Usually in the beginning, it's about swatches or packaging, then swatches, then a demo, and then towards the end, it's like final thoughts. Should you buy it? Blah, blah, blah. This is what I thought. So she actually liked it, and she said it was very fast and easy to work with. She liked the color, and yeah, I was like, you know what? We're gonna try it. So I bought one. First I bought this color, the deepest brown, and I'm going to take this little clear cap off of here to show you. So this is what it looks like. It's called something else, I believe, when you order it online. On here, it just says brow pencil. And at the bottom is where it says the color, deepest brown. I believe also this is color coded. So this is a very deep brown color. It does come darker. They actually have a black color, which I've been debating for months, almost a year now, if I want to dye my hair full on black, because I love that Snow White vibes for life. I know my hair is very dark and brown, but I've always wanted to do black again because I loved it when I did it the first time. But when I do black, I need a very dark blackish gray type of brow pencil to get the shade that I want for brows. Anyways, this is basically the color of my hair. It's a very deep, cool tone brown. And so when you open up the product, it looks like this. So it's a similar type of thing to like the Brow Wiz, the Shady Slim Shade, whatever that was. You know, most of the brow pencils where it's a twist up like this, but this is actually a lot thicker of a pencil, and it's just wider and everything. So with that, you're not going to get super little precise lines. This is more so if you want to very quickly fill in your eyebrow, which is what I tend to do. Right here is very sparse in my eyebrow. Also, I put product right here on the top. Also, my arch stops like right here, so I fake that arch. Also, my brow stops right here and I extend it. From here, You don't know that because it's a trick of makeup. But basically I need to fake it to make it look like my eyebrow just naturally is well groomed and perfect. So I just quickly like to fill it in. This is amazing for that. This product is so easy to work with. I can quickly just do that. Also, sometimes you get products that are way too creamy, and then it's just like you're layering so much product in there. When you go to blend it out, it's just created a big old mess. This is just a very nice consistency that, yeah, it's just so easy to work with. So this one right here is the deepest brown. So I'm just gonna do a little swatch. There you go. I'm gonna darken it over. So here we'll do like a lighter swatch. So you can see, you can get the lighter part like this, or if you layer it up, you can get a little bit of the darkness, but it's definitely a cool tone product, and it's not going to give you these deep, dark, dramatic eyebrows like a brow pomade will. So I really like it. I think it applies great. It blends out great. It sticks to your skin. You can add fakeness to your shape to make it look exactly the way that you want it to. It also has a swoolie, which this is funny. The swoolie is huge. It's basically like getting one of those disposable swoolies from like Sephora or something like that. It's a big one, and I mean, to blend it out, I don't mind it. I don't think the size of the swoolie really matters as far as, you know, using it for the product. I lost one of the caps, so this is the other shade I get. This one is messy. So if you accidentally switch the caps, it destroys things. So yeah, that's what I did. This is a color taupe. So this is actually the one I'm wearing right now. This one is more of when I want very dark eyebrows. Like I said, similar to my hair color. This is the taupe color, so I very quickly filled them in today, and then I just got a little bit of my foundation on a tiny angled brush and cleaned up the edges to make it look super crisp and nice. And here you go. This is a horrible swatch. There it goes. All right, let's try. I'm just gonna get another one of these because I just messed this up so bad because of the cap. All right. Don't you guys appreciate I'm facing it this way so I can't even see what I'm doing? So that's how it looks if you layer it up a bit, but very beautiful colors. Taupe is great for if you have, you know, very colored hair, like if you have a blue, purple, green, whatever. I heard that taupe is great to use for that. Also, if you have cool tone hair and it is, you know, deep brown, regular brown, or if you have blonde and you want to do like a cool tone brow. So very good color that will actually work for a lot of different hair colors and complexions. Again, it has a swoolie. So compared to these, this is what this one looks like. So you can see it's a little bit on the grayish side, which is definitely always what I'm looking for. They also have other colors. So they have one that is called Auburn. They have one, I believe, that is called like natural brown or something. So I get the deepest brown, but there's a lighter brown of this, and then it's taupe, and then it's auburn, and then it's blonde, and then they have the black one online. But so far so good. I really like this product. I am saying this is basically my favorite brow pencil right now because it is the most inexpensive thing that works the best. I have not found another brow pencil that is so easy to work with, that is so cheap. So if you are just thinking of switching up, if you want to just have a backup, like I said, I'm just gonna go get another one of these taupe ones because I destroyed it with a cap, and it's only $2. So even if you do lose it, break it, whatever, it's $2, so it's super easy to replace. So I definitely recommend checking this out. I feel like brow pencils, when you have, or just brow products in general, when you have ones that you like and you just consistently get it, and you're like, okay, I'm out, I need to go get a new one, you don't really think about how great it is to have something that you love and have the color you love and everything. But say you change up your hair color or your product gets discontinued, it can be so hard to find a color that you like, a consistency that you like, a formula that you like to work with. So I really like this. It's inexpensive if you're looking for a color that is cool tone. Go get these. I don't know why I'm laughing. That's it for right now. You can get these over, I think they're at Walmart and Target, and then online on elfcosmetics.com. And also, be sure to like this video if you enjoyed it. Leave any questions or comments down below. Today's question of the day, let's think of a random thing. What is an older TV show that you like? Currently, I am watching Cheers. Oh my gosh, that show is so funny. I feel like I avoided it so long because like, that's an old people show. I don't want to watch that. And it takes place at a bar and I don't really go to bars. And it is so funny. It reminds me of like Friends type of humor. So if you like Friends, you'll probably like this as well. There is some stuff that it's a little bit more of adult humor. So I'd say it's not like a kid type of show, but if you're an adult and you want to watch it, it's so funny. The characters are great. I am on, what season? I think I have 2 more seasons left. I think there's 11. So I'm on season 9 right now and I love it. I never thought it was going to be this funny. Ted Danson is amazing. Also, I found out he is the exact same birthday as me, December 29th, so that's kind of nice as well. So what is your favorite older TV show? When I say older, let's say it was at least more than 10 years ago. Older, okay? So older than 10 years, TV show. And leave that in the comments. Also, if you have any favorite brow products that you really, really like that are inexpensive, stuff that you can get at Walmart, Target, Walgreens, CVS, go ahead and let me know because I would love to check those out. Also, I'm sure other people love to see them as well. I love finding out stuff that is super inexpensive that works well. It's the best feeling. Be sure to follow me on my social media accounts if you're not already. That's it for right now. The sun is setting, so that's why this video is getting darker. That's it. I love you guys, and I will see you all next time. Bye.